Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set your work location in the Zoom mobile app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open the Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main screen where you can see your upcoming meetings and various options to navigate through the app. Now direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile picture displayed there. Go ahead and tap on it to access your profile settings. This is where you can manage your personal information, preferences, and various account configurations within the Zoom mobile app. Next, look for the option labeled Work Location and tap on it. This feature is particularly useful for organizations that track where their employees are working from, whether it's the office, home, or another remote location. It helps with scheduling, resource management, and ensuring teams know where their colleagues are based for any given day. Once you're in the work location settings, you'll see different location options available to choose from. These typically include choices like office or remote depending on how your organization has configured their workspace settings. Select the location that best represents where you'll be working. For example, if you're working from the office today, tap on Office. If you're working from home or another remote location, select Remote. This selection helps your team members and managers stay informed about your current work setup. And that's it. You've successfully set your work location in the Zoom mobile app, making it easier for your organization to track workspace preferences and plan accordingly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.